I'm Daniel Stott, CEO and co-founder of Class-ify, and we're here to show you the next generation of online personal training. The market for health and fitness apps is on the rise. Downloads grew 27% in the last year alone. So why are people still not getting the results that they need? It doesn't matter how smart your watch is, it's not going to be the thing that holds you accountable. For me, it was my online coach, Mark Ross. He led me through an incredible transformation over several months, giving me workout plans, nutrition tracking, and to be honest, more importantly, motivating me and giving me goals to achieve. Personal training just simply isn't accessible enough. And it's not because we're lazy, it's because personal trainers are stuck in a flawed business model that's inherently stacked against them, meaning they're at the mercy of the gyms and studios they work at. They work incredibly long, unsociable hours, and they're constantly trading time for money. So moving their business online makes complete sense, but that takes time and it also takes expertise. We felt there was nobody standing up for personal trainers against huge companies within the industry. We're a revolutionary digital platform that provides trainers business support and technology in order for them to run every aspect of their online coaching business. Whether it's workout plans, nutrition tracking, custom websites, bespoke CRM systems, or integrated meeting booking software, we provide trainers with a full white label tech stack. We also offer them an ongoing training academy where they figure out exactly who they are as a coach and how they can grow their business online.
Our team are a collection of fitness enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, and digital startup specialists, hailing from the likes of Just Eat, Asda, and the Bank of Ireland. Now we're not building tech stacks for one of the world's largest food services or taking global brands online. We are getting up early, we're hitting the gym, we're working out before we get to work on making dreams come true for personal trainers all around the world. And that makes us part of something that we really, really believe in, because we're not just this faceless digital brand. And just to make one thing really, really clear, Class-ify Connect wasn't born out of the pandemic, because personal trainers were facing this business problem long before anyone had even heard of COVID. What we're doing now is trying to solve that for them. We're doing this because we know exactly what our trainers want, we know exactly what their clients want, and because of that, we've got an army of fans who can't wait to recommend us.
It's actually really amazing how my business has grown over the last 4 months.
I've had numerous one-to-one calls for that extra support, and Class-ify have helped me every step of the way, and I really can't thank them enough.
Now that you've seen our passion, let's talk numbers. We take just 12% commission from each client they sign up, and we support them every step of the way to maximise their earnings. This makes their success our success. And in just a short space of time, with just 200 trainers in 16 different countries, we're now generating £50,000 per month of revenue, and we're growing every single day. There are over 750,000 trainers in the US, UK, and Australia alone. And if we help trainers with just 12 clients each, from our current revenue sources, we could hit unicorn status by working with fewer than 28,000 personal trainers. Changing the game and solving problems can be incredibly profitable, and we're already seeing how Class-ify is changing the lives of our personal trainers.
We're looking to raise £150,000 to build on the exciting traction we've already had. With your support, whether it's the minimum investment or something more, we're going to be working to enhance our technology, bring the Class-ify app to life, and work on our Strava-esque social community for clients all around the globe. And what's more, you'll be joining an incredible roster of investors. These are people from the leadership and exec teams of companies like Just Eat, Home Away, Talentful, and Rapid Spike, who all believe in our platform just as much as we do.
As an investor, I only invest in sticky digital business models, and especially those that have a potential for internationalization. Class-ify serves a need that I believe is relevant in all major markets. So I think we are only at the very start of the journey, and I'm excited to join it all the way.
We are Class-ify, and we'd absolutely love for you to join our fitness revolution.